Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexbsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexbsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So guys, within a few hours we will get the final results of the voting in the United States. So now you see that Trump is leading, and by current moment, at least at the news that I see, he missed just 6 votes, and it means that he needs to win in just a single state. If this will be completed, so Trump will become the president. And currently most mass media think that it's really almost is done. So this, as you know, was our bet. We said even 3-4 weeks ago that Trump will take the victory, will win in the voting and become the president. As a background of that event, we see the big changes that will come in external policy and the global policy, and in the internal United States politics and social events. So our thought is that Trump will focus on the inner problems of the United States, and he will get the time from the new let's call it the globe order, since right now the forces balance in the world has changed. So the China, Russia, United States right now mostly are equal participants of the global politics, and as a result, probably Trump will agree with the new balance of the forces in the globe, and this will help him to resolve the inner problems in the United States. So we see the big changes that will come on the financial markets in general. Most of these our points that should follow to Trump victory we already have posted in our weekly researches on the forex market. Well, this will not be the question of the week, maybe, or months. We think that within 2-3 years this probably will happen. So mostly we think that the Trump victory in the long-term perspective is a negative sign for the dollar, because losing of the geopolitical dominating by the United States and decreasing and massive diminishing of the external expenses, the military forces, will lead to dropping of the United States dollar, role of the United States dollar as the reserve currency. Instead of that, the euro currency will starting to get more value. But this will not happen very fast, so it will be gradual action. But in general, the Trump victory is a negative sign for the United States dollar, and a considerable result. So as we said yesterday, if Trump will win, this probably the dollar will fail, will drop. So that has happened. But actually, guys, yesterday, if you remember, we have not taken the bet on the victory or on the election result. We are dealing with the bread and butter buy. So you can see the bread and butter buy has been completed perfectly. As you can see, it has started right from the point that we have discussed. Fib level right here. As you can see, combination of the monthly pivot point and weekly pivot support one, and rally has started right from there. As a result, you can see on upward action, market has broken through major resistance 1142, 1170 areas. Confidence resistance has been broken. It has reached the daily overbought, and right now stands in the double pivot resistance one. So this is monthly pivot resistance one and weekly pivot resistance one. Right now we see the minor pullback here to the downside out from the top. So hardly, guys, it will be something that we could do today. I mean, the trading, probably we need to wait for a couple of sessions to let market to come down a bit. Maybe some tactical trades are possible. For example, we could expect some minor upward continuation at the results of the impulse action. So first of all, let's calculate the ABCD extension. It's just interesting where the market has completed the ABCD target. of this action, right? So you can see market has completed this very fast ABCD at the daily overbought and strong resistance. So that's why minor bounce here is possible. Maybe market even will retest the 1170 area as a result. 50% support will be reached, but still some upward momentum continuation should follow. Here, guys, we have by nature something the same kind of the bread and butter. So when the market thrusting up, minor retracement, and a result of the previous thrust impulse, market's trying to show upward continuation. But here we have a bit different picture, because this is not just the rest of that thrust. It's not just a result of that impulse. This is new impulse based on the new fundamental inputs that we have, elections result, and that why overall this action has very significant upward impulse. That's why we expect that at least minor continuation here. This market right now will show retracement down out from the daily overbought, but after that some minor continuation, at least minor continuation, probably should happen. That's just minimum expectation that could happen. Maybe market even will continue to AB 1618 CD target. This is also possible because major breakout here has happened. That's what we probably could watch for in the neuro sessions. But as I said, probably till the end of the weeks will be a lot of noise in the mass media and the TV, and CNBC, Bloomberg, and so on. So, well, numerous reports, and so that will be just outstanding. So that's why probably we need to see that this noise will come down a bit, and later we will get the clearer direction on the high time frames. As I said, when we will get the result, we definitely will get the clarity, and we will have a lot of chances to take the position in the more clearer situation. That's what we would like to get. By far, in the nearest sessions today, tomorrow, we could deal with the tactical setups. For example, as I said, based on this recent thrust, based on this ABCD pattern. So on the forward time frame chart, you could see that market has started upward action directly from our confidence support. On our chart, you see the butterfly is formed here. It's not our initial butterfly, but later you can see market has formed another one. So bread and butter has worked perfect. Now you can see market stands in minor retracement. It has reached 111.80 area. So we expect that market probably could reach this area or maybe slightly lower. 50% support this euro currency likes, and then some impulse continuation based on the previous action. Upward action should follow. So this will be some kind of the returning back to the previous top maybe. That's minimum target. What we will get later, just need to watch what will happen.